Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a toy review of Super Mario. And as you can see, you have Donkey Kong Jr. and Donkey Kong. And also the piranha plant. And also this creature with a key. And this white rabbit with a green hat and green clothes on. And also this pipe that Super Mario goes through. And also this creature that looks like a wizard. And also you have this creature. And this is from 2024 to 2025. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And please leave a comment in the comment box below. And please share the links to my videos. If toy companies want to contact me for future sponsorships, my contact info is in a link in the description box below. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.